New into inventory at JLD Auto Group is this 1960 Austin-Healey Bugeye Sprite. This example is finished in Chevrolet's Crocus yellow exterior. That's a refinished paint for this car, as it was originally a white vehicle, but instead was changed to this color between 2016 and 2017. The mileage for this vehicle is around 9,000 miles, showing on the odometer. However, total mileage is unknown for this vehicle. And interestingly, from that same owner who completed the color change, a host of other mechanical refurbishings were completed while with that owner who had this car from 1996 to 2021. They rebuilt the engine, fitted the transmission with a new clutch kit, and also redid the steering system, replacing components where needed. A fuel line and fuel tank flush was completed. And finally, the braking system also underwent some refurbishings, including a new master cylinder, new wheel cylinders, and new shoes. The interior was also redone, with several surfaces being refinished. The seats had new covers created, but retained original structural componentry within the seats. Of course, we have the 4-speed manual gear lever there, which is connected to a 948 cubic centimeter inline-4 to power this Austin-Healey. And also included with the car are side window curtains, a color-matched hardtop, a new old stock soft top, and then finally the front bumpers. So as usual with the vehicle previews, we will get a startup and a look underneath the hood at the engine bay.